For this DIY, you're just gonna need a pair of black strappy heels, some fur, black fur, and some fabric fusion glue, or you can use E6000 glue, whatever you want. You can find shoes like this at Primark for like $13, or I got these at Forever 21, they were like $20. Okay, and this is what the fur looks like when it's all out. I'm just going to cut it in half so that each shoe has the same amount. And then you're gonna start by wrapping it around this part of the shoe. And you're just gonna wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap. Okay, and that's how much we need, so I'm just gonna cut the excess and then start to glue. So I'm gonna put some glue right here. And just hold it there for a minute. And then put another dot of glue on the other side. I'm just gonna take a clip and clamp that on there so it dries in place. We're just gonna do the same thing to the other shoe. Look how cute! And then clip that and just wait for them to dry. This is what they're gonna look like, you know, without the clips, obviously.